everyone, welcome to Jarvis Mountain Outdoors. We're going to hop in the Ranger and head up to the ridge. Alright, so we made it to the ridge, and if you watched our last video, you would have seen that we had a dilemma on the ridge top.
Well, that dilemma has been resolved. Well, here is our resolve. The Widowmaker is on the ground. I had help getting this down. Fellow co-worker I work with, he's an actual logger. And he came over and helped me get this down. Well, actually, he cut it. We got some footage of that, and I'll show you how he cut it. What he did a bore cut on this. And if you can see this, and you'll be able to see it on the footage. He just bored in here to the center. And you see where the blade, where he started, did his bore. And just came down, left a little bit of meat left here on the bottom of the tree so it wouldn't pinch the saw. And then he came back and cut from the top down. That way it would lay down. And it did split. That's probably about 3 foot up the tree. Wasn't too bad. But yeah, he got it down. Everybody's safe, and I'm happy. So, nice white oak, a lot of good firewood right here. Let me get a measurement of this here real quick and show you. It looks about 21 and a half, about 17 and a half. A decent sized tree. We've got, like I said, we're going to show you some footage on us cutting this down, and also me getting a little training on cutting another one down.
Yeah, so anything we can get over there would be good. And at first I thought maybe it would be able to undercut it and it would come down, but I think there's going to be too much. Your tension's going to be on the top of it, I guess. It is going to be on top. Yeah. If it was really hanging up there really good, then your tension might be under, you might be able to undercut it. I thought it'd be nice to cut over here, but I don't want to. I want to be over there. Because if it comes up, it's going to probably come up a little this way. And it may roll that way, but... So this normally you want to go underneath, and I just don't want to do that. I don't think I want to do that on this. How do you want to do it? I think I just want to bore it and leave some on the bottom. I don't know.
Well, don't you don't feel safe for it.
Yeah. I'm going to leave it like that and flip that top. Okay? You're going to do what with the top? I'm just going to cut in quickly. Oh, okay. Pretty much, and it's got a little bit down there. Hopefully it's going to go straight down. It may roll a little, but I'm planning on being back here as soon as I feel it. I'm going to be right over here.
She is down.
There. And normally you just leave a hinge,
Right.
just a little hinge. But I didn't really want to cut under that thing because
Yeah.
I was afraid I'd get pinched.
Right.
And I would have done that first,
Right.
but this one's like, just get it down.
Wow. That's awesome.
So anyway,
You made it look easy.
Yeah. Yeah, you did. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, son.
cut from this side. There's less limbs over here. Go to the side that got the least amount of, and I'd be watching up there right now, especially when you're making this cut.
Right.
And do you have enough stuff out of your way? Probably not, but. Don't get behind me. Stay here on the side. Hey. You want to be back here. All the way back. Look right there. Cutting in that way. This way. But it was big. And I don't want to leave too little, I don't want to leave too much.
Right.
But anyway.
So disclaimer here, we are by no means an expert in felling trees, logging, nothing. We're just weekend warriors, but you just need to remember, if you're doing this, to be safe, have your personal protection equipment on. When you're dropping these trees, you need to clear the areas around it so you can you need an escape route, 2 of them, because you never know what can happen. Every tree is different. That's why I took a bunch of pictures of this tree and took into that friend of mine that's a logger at work, and he out of kindness of his heart came out and decided to help. So good to have friends like that. So just remember, be safe out there, don't take chances.
We're gonna wrap this video up now, so we hope you enjoyed it. Click subscribe, hit the like button, and share with your friends. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.
Thank you.